Hello, welcome to how to grow Aquilegia flowers from seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local garden store, but they're also available online. The reverse of the packet should show the growing times and growing conditions for your region. The second step is to fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a shallow tray with a transparent plastic lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. The compost I'm using is labelled as being suitable for seeds and seedlings. You can also use a general purpose compost. Now water the compost. We do this now to stop washing away the seeds later. Step 3. Sprinkle the seeds thinly on top of the compost. It's important not to cover the seeds with compost afterwards, as they require light to germinate. Finally, add a label. Step 4. Place the propagator lid on top of the tray and keep in a warm, bright place. I keep my propagators in a spare room that gets plenty of sunlight. Step 5. Within 21 to 42 days, the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 6. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. Firstly, water the seedlings. Next, fill a pot with compost. Water the compost and then make a hole in the centre using your thumb or a stick. Take a seedling from the propagator tray, trying to remove as much root as possible. Plant it in the hole in the centre of the pot and then gently press down around the roots. If you need to hold the seedling, use the leaves and not the stem. Now water the seedlings in the pots. Step 7. Keep warm and watered and the seedlings will start to mature. Step 8. When the risk of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant the plants outside. First, dig your soil and remove any stones and weeds. If your soil is poor in quality like mine, then add a little compost and dig it in. Now mark where the plants are going to go. Leave 12 inches between each plant. If you want the plants in a neat line, then use a piece of string. Prior to planting out, give them a good watering. Next, dig a small hole using a trowel. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and then plant it in the hole in the soil. Now gently press the soil around the roots. The last step is to give the plant a good soaking. Step 9. Keep the plants watered and weed free, and they will gradually grow stronger. This is my plant at the end of the first year, but I haven't had any flowers yet. Step 10. The plant completely died back over winter and looked as though it had disappeared. But growth began in the second year, and this is the start of it. Little by little it started growing into a strong plant. Step 11. By the end of spring, flowers began to appear. This is another of the plants, and as I was growing a mixed variety, I got a variety of colours. All of them were very beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's also my gardening website which contains more information. Thank you and goodbye.